Oh man. Fish just came up and missed it. Big little smallmouth. But I missed it. Oh man, damn. Right as it hit the water. Oh, look at the topwater fish, I told you. Come on. Damn, two fish missed it. Dang, he's tangled. Let's come on to our side. Come on this way. Please. Getting sketchy. I can't see what I'm doing. Okay. Alright. There we go. Oh, dang. Oh my god, are you serious? Oh. Lost him. Nice little largie, but man, he eluded me pretty well. Dove underneath the stick. That's funny too, because fun fact, this river almost never catch largemouth. It's always smallmouth, a bunch of rock bass, and pike. He just disappears. Here we go. Oh, I can see one just chilling. Here he comes. Come on, take it. That's not it, but I'll take it. A fish is a fish. See the small he's down there. Little rock bass though, I mean, just keep on biting it. Oh. Alright, everybody get out of this spot down. See how deep the rabbit hole goes. Even though I know, because I fish here all the time, so I know how deep it goes. Come on, bud. There we go. Nice little guy. See you later, buddy. Woo! Flying lesson. Oh, it's fish. Fish on. Oh, pike. You can see that. Hell yeah. Oh. Whoa. You want to play a little bit? You gotta let him play with you. Come on. Let you run around. Drag's loose. Look at that. Let you go. No, he don't want to play. Look at him, what a beauty. I was wondering what was hanging over there. Like two casts over there. Oops. Oh, chill out, buddy. It's a decent one. Calm down. Of course, I'm in the middle of the river, so can't put my pole down anywhere, but nice. Damn, calm down. All right, so put it over here. Boop. Like so. Oh, barely even hooked. Wow. Just came right off. Make sure my pole's good, so don't go for a swim. Look at that beauty. Just like that. Look at those teeth. Nice. Out here on the Rouge River. Sweetness. It's the air guy. What a beauty. When you're ready, I'll see ya. I'll tell your mama to come on up. Kid bud. See you later. There he goes. To get bigger, hopefully.